Good morning, children. Welcome to my today's class. I was doing most important questions of standard 10th. I've already completed with the lessons with first 3 poems. Fourth one is deleted. Fifth I have completed. Poem 6, Sonnet 73 is deleted for this batch. Coming to poem number 7, The Stolen Boat. Usually a 1-mark question or a paragraph answer will be there from this poem. 1-mark question or a 3 to 4-mark question will be there from this poem, The Stolen Boat. So if you are having the knowledge of the whole summary, you can write any question, maybe a 1-mark question or maybe 3-mark question. Coming to the 1-mark, 2-mark questions, 1-mark or 2-mark question. What does her in the poem refer to? Her, what does it refer to? The boat. Question 2, where was the boat moored? Boat was moored to a willow tree within a rocky cave. Or the question can be, from where was the boat stolen? The boat was stolen by the poet from a place, a rocky cave, wherein there was a willow tree and the boat was tied to it. Anyhow, question can be asked. I know you will be able to answer it. Question 3. What does home refer to? Home of what? The boat. Home of the boat, where it was. The rocky cave was the home where the boat was tied. So what does home refer to? It refers to the rocky cave where the boat was tied. Next question. What stealthy act does the boy commit? What stealthy act? Stealing. Stealthy. What stealthy act does the boy commit? Without the permission of anybody, he goes and takes the boat and moves on. That is the stealthy act. Important question. That's an important question. How many peaks are mentioned in the poem? 2 peaks are mentioned. One is the craggy, far away from the horizon, and another one is the huge peak, the black and the huge one, which is referred to in the poem. The second peak is bigger. This is an appeared question. How many peaks are mentioned in the poem? Which one is bigger? The second peak is bigger. So question may be like trembling oars. In the phrase trembling oars, who is trembling? The boy is trembling. Why he is trembling? Because he has stolen the boat. What is the figure of speech used here? It is a transferred epithet. Transferred epithet. Why is he trembling? The boy, why is he trembling? Because he is frightened of the peak. He feels peak is approaching towards him. That is why he is trembling. So next important question. She was an elfin penis. She refers to boat. The figure of the speech used here is personification. What does elfin mean? Elfin means fairy-like, a small boat. Elfin means fairy-like, a small boat. Here the sentence has appeared for finding the figure of speech. If only elfin penis is given, then you have to write metaphor. She was an elfin penis. She was an elfin penis. The whole sentence is given. She and elfin penis both are there in the sentence. Then it is a personification. Only if it is elfin penis, it is a metaphor. Remember this, it's an appeared question. What haunted the poet day and night? So these are the most likely 1-mark, 2-mark questions. Coming to the 3 to 4 marks question, that is a paragraph answer. March 2015, why did Wordsworth say that he is moving the boat is an act of stealth? Almost whole summary of the poem you have to write here for the big answers. June 2016, why was he guilty of this act? So March 2015, June 2016, the same question has appeared. Why did Wordsworth say that his moving the boat is a stealthy act? Why was he guilty of this act? Because he had taken the boat without asking anybody's permission. He had untied it from the willow tree and he had moved on. All that from there you have to start the. So the next question is June 2015, April 2016 and April 2017 continuously appeared. Describe the effect that the spectacle of this peak. Describe the effect that the spectacle of the peak had on the poet's mind. How he felt, how many peaks are there, how they were following him, how he could hear all kinds of sounds and all that you have to write. For this what you have to do? Go back to my video, watch the video of the stolen boat. Surely you will be able to write the answers. April 2018, the question is, what was the effect of the moving the boat? What was the effect of moving the boat without the owner's permission on the mind of the poet? The poet, of course, the boy always had it in his mind that without taking anybody's permission, without asking anybody's permission, he's taking the boat from there. He feels that he is stealing. That is an act of stealth. The fear which he has in his mind, in himself. So these are the most likely questions from the stolen boat.